Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious Pasteis de Nata. This was recommended to me by a wonderful follower on Instagram. And if you're not following me yet, you can follow me there, and sometimes I ask you guys what you would like me to cook for you. As always, I really hope you guys try this out, and if you do, post it on Instagram and tag me, and I will make sure to see it and like it. Anyways, let's get cooking. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 400 grams of puff pastry. You can make this at home or you can buy it. 6 egg yolks. 500 milliliters of milk. 150 grams of sugar. 40 grams of corn flour. And some vanilla powder. You're gonna need a muffin mold or a cupcake mold. They could be separated or like this. When you're preparing the cream, make sure to keep the puff pastry in your refrigerator. In a pan, add all of the milk. Add the sugar. And corn flour. Mix it all together using a whisk. Add the vanilla powder. If you don't want to add vanilla powder, you can use anything like cinnamon, orange zest, or lemon zest. Heat up the mixture and keep mixing until it becomes a thick paste. Instead of using a whisk, you can use a wooden spoon, which is actually better because you will make sure to get all the sides. That way it doesn't burn. As you can see, I switched it up to the wooden spoon because I realized that it's actually harder to get the sides. As you can see, there is fluffiness to the mixture. That's because I used a whisk and I was mixing a little too fast, which is normal if that happens to you guys. Just keep mixing. After mixing for a while, the paste should look like this, and that's when it's ready. And now you're going to cover it up, and like I showed you guys in my last videos, you're going to make sure it is in contact with the actual mixture. That way it doesn't form a thick skin on top. And now it's time for the dough. Going to put the flour on the surface that you will be using. Make sure to like the video, guys. Roll the dough in a rectangular shape. Now that the dough is well spread, as you can see it's a rectangular shape, you're going to butter the dough. Roll up the dough and make sure to make it tight, that way it will look delicious. And now we're going to put it in the refrigerator while we prepare the rest. Now separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. I don't know about you guys, but I really hate doing this. I just get really scared that the egg yolks are gonna break because they're super fragile. Anyways, just separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Now that the mixture has cooled down, you're going to add the egg yolks to it and mix it one more time. And now let's get the dough ready. So you're just gonna cut the pieces in medium sizes. The way you're going to flatten it out is first by your hand, and then you're going to continue flattening out like usual. As you can see, the roll is still there, which is perfect and what it's supposed to look like. And then add the mixture inside of the dough. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees. After a while, it's rising, which is normal. After cooking, it should look like this, which you guys might think looks weird, but don't worry, when it cools down, it's going to go back to normal. You're going to take them out and let them cool down. These are supposed to be eaten when they're cold, so if you want to wait until they're cold, it will be better than eating them when they're still warm. And that, you guys, is how you prepare this delicious Pasteis de Nata. Thank you so much to the person who recommended this. My family loved it and it tastes amazing. I hope you guys try this out, and if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram. That way I will see it and like it. The ingredients are down below in Arabic and French, so make sure to check it out if you do not speak English very well. Look at the beautiful color of this. I love it so much, and I hope you guys try this out because you will really not regret it. As always, you guys, keep smiling.
Thank you.